Here's how to save Gmail emails to Google Drive in 2026. If this video helps you, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick Gmail tutorials. First, open Google Chrome and go to gmail.com. Sign into your Gmail account. Open the email you want to save to Google Drive. This works for important emails, receipts, or documents. Click the three dots in the top right corner of the email. Select Download Message. This saves the email as an EML file on your computer. Now, open drive.google.com in a new tab. Click New, then File Upload, and upload the email file you just downloaded. If the email has attachments, you can also click Save to Drive directly on the attachment. And that's it. Your Gmail email is now safely stored in Google Drive. Subscribe for more simple Gmail tips.